Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, July 29th, 2022. As you probably know, my Coach's Corner partner, Darko LE, the handsome man on the right-hand side there, is focused entirely on long-term trading, showing our clients swing trade and position trade setup possibilities with all the logic and analysis and reasoning behind them. But did you know that this exact same analysis can be applied to any asset class? Okay, futures, stock indices, etc. Well, we have some great news for you. Darko is now going to be showing you how to apply the exact same methodology used for Forex analysis to these other asset classes, and he's going to tell you all about it in this video. In his last PMA, Darko went over several indices from around, PMA by the way is pre-market analysis. Darko went over several indices from around the world, giving his detailed analysis of levels to consider for trading at, and he also covered several futures markets, such as gold, silver, oil, that kind of thing. And in this video, you're going to get a selfie of Darko letting you know about what he's going to be doing from now on, and then you'll hear Darko's analysis on the S&P 500 stock index. Okay. And by the way, Darko lives in Sweden, so he's using this exact same analysis on the Swedish index to position his personal portfolio for exceptionally high returns. Okay. And this is all being shown in advance, of course, as he always does. In the comments below, would you mind doing something? We'd like to know, what are your thoughts on these kinds of analysis that he's doing, and if you'd like to see more of them. We'd really like to know. Of course, our Coach's Corner members are going to be receiving these each week, but I'd like to hear your thoughts and your feedback. And finally, if you like this video, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up. We always do. Just by hitting the like button, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the video. Okay, here's Darko first explaining the new addition to his service, okay, and then talking about the S&P 500, his analysis on that, okay. And oh, by the way, you're also going to get to meet Darko's dog. Okay, here we go.
Hi guys, long time no see. Hope everything is well with you and your loved ones. It was a long time ago I recorded a selfie video. I'm actually walking my dog here, so I'm taking the opportunity to just catch up and say hi, and keeping you guys up to date what I've been up to lately, and what I've been doing since for the last couple of weeks and moving forward is that I've been as you all know, I'm long-term trading nowadays, and I've been providing pre-market analysis videos for my paying clients twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays. Because we are long-term trading, usually the Thursdays PMA are pretty much the same as the Mondays PMA, with the follow-up on the potential trades that we are in and everything. So what I decided now for the past weeks or so is that I will be focusing on, this is my dog by the way, I've been focusing on the stock market. The market has dropped 25% on most of the indices around the world. Whenever the market drops that much, I always see buying opportunities. So long story short, Thursday's PMA will be dedicated to stocks, indices, commodities, and just cover the different index in different countries where our clients are. So I'm basically covering the most common indexes around the world, or indices around the world. Like obviously S&P, OMX for the Swedish clients, and DAX, UK, Aussie 200, etc., etc. So if you are interested in trading stocks and not missing any opportunities in the stock market, now is the time to join the service, because Monday's PMAs will be completely focused on Forex, on the 27 pairs that we are trading, and Thursday's PMA will completely be around Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, and everything in between. So that makes us to actually monitor the entire market. So hope that finds you well. If you have any questions, send those to Darko. That's Darko at forexmentor.com, and hopefully I will see you in class. Thanks so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon again. Cheers.
Where we are right now on S&P 500 is we are coming off this micro level of monthly support. We are reacting from that level. There's like nothing there until we hit any significant level of resistance, which is a bit higher. Okay, so if we scale this down and see how the weekly chart is doing from here, well, the weekly chart is if we start from the upside, we had a swing break. Having that swing break, or rather rotation, we retraced twice at this level and made another lower high and lower low. We went up, made another lower high and a lower low, and then we hit that monthly level, which is also a weekly strong level of support. It was identical neckline, and now we are reacting from that level. And you can do the percentage that I showed you. I don't have it by heart. I'm not sure, it was like 25-ish, whatever percentage that was. What I'm seeing in here is something significant that I showed in the chat room, if I'm not mistaken. It's also on my LinkedIn, is that we have this level of support became resistance. We have a double neckline on a weekly chart. We have a weekly candle closing more bullish than bearish. Because it's so much focus on a weekly chart, we need to go 2 time frames below, and I did a screenshot of that. Price will be retracing down into this level for further upside. If we are doing it, where are we heading to? Well, it's not a shocker that price is heading into these levels, in order either breach it to the upside or hold that level. How do you know? Price will tell you. Don't worry about that. And obviously the next level, it will be this monthly neckline, which is also some type of resistance on a weekly chart as well. So we don't need to predict the market, but there are several options that we need to be mindful of. Is this doing this, going back to this level, and then do this? Here is where is like what I call the line in the sand, because you see that you have a nice natural stop from here. So are we hitting into this level, and then the market will drop another from here, maybe another 10-20%, or this monthly candle will be looking something like this in the future? Well, we will be marking these levels and then see how price reacts around those levels for our investment in the country that you are living in. That is, if your index is highly correlated with the S&P. So that's what I'm seeing on the S&P.
So there you go. I hope you found that interesting. The thing is, since Darko's focused on longer term trading, he has the time to start helping out with other asset classes using the same transferable analysis that he's been using for many, many years with Forex trading. So yeah, thanks again for listening and really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button. I hope you all have a great weekend and trading week ahead. As always, just please let me know if you have any questions. My email address is in the text below this video or in the email that you received. Thank you so much. Take care.